Hook, ever felt overwhelmed by your finances? Like you're drowning in a sea of bills and subscriptions? Well, you're not alone. And today, we're diving into a popular financial tool that might just be the lifeboat you need. Context: we're talking about Rocket Money, a personal finance app that's been making waves in the US. But the big question is Rocket Money available in the UK? Let's find out. What is Rocket Money? Brief overview: Rocket Money is a personal finance app designed to help you take control of your spending. It's like having a personal financial assistant that helps you identify and cancel unnecessary subscriptions, negotiate bills, and track your spending habits. Key features: Subscription Finder. Rocket Money scans your accounts to identify recurring charges, helping you find and cancel subscriptions you're no longer using. Bill Negotiation. The app can help you negotiate lower rates for your bills, saving you money on everything from internet to insurance. Spending Tracker. Keep tabs on where your money is going with Rocket Money's easy-to-use spending tracker. Is Rocket Money available in the UK? The answer: unfortunately, as of current date, Rocket Money is not officially available in the UK. While the app has gained popularity in the US, it hasn't expanded its services to the UK market yet. Reasons for unavailability: there could be several reasons for this. Regulatory differences. Financial regulations can vary significantly between countries, and Rocket Money might need to adapt its services to comply with UK laws. Market competition. The UK already has a competitive personal finance app market, and Rocket Money might be assessing the viability of entering this space. Business strategy. The company might be focusing on other markets or prioritizing other features before expanding to the UK. Alternatives to Rocket Money in the UK. Similar apps. Even though Rocket Money isn't available, there are several other excellent personal finance apps you can use in the UK. Here are a few popular options. Money Saving Expert. This website and app offer a wealth of information on saving money, including deals, coupons, and tips. In-App. You Need a Budget. In-App is a budgeting app that helps you track your income and expenses, ensuring you're spending within your means. Revolut. This app offers a range of financial services, including budgeting tools, currency exchange, and travel insurance. Conclusion. Summary: while Rocket Money isn't currently available in the UK, there are plenty of other great personal finance tools to help you manage your money effectively. Final thoughts: as the personal finance landscape continues to evolve, it's possible that Rocket Money might eventually expand its services to the UK. In the meantime, explore the alternatives we've discussed and find the app that best suits your needs. Call to action: don't let your finances overwhelm you. Take control of your spending and start saving today with the right personal finance app. End screen. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.